I got this off of Amazon, and it is a cleaning and wiping robot. Excuse me. These are the little sweepers. It also comes with a backup set right there. And this is where you put the water in.
Remove the dust box and water tank assembly.
So there you go. So whenever you're wanting to put the water in there, that's where you put it in there. It has a filter right here. It also comes with a backup filter. So there's that right there. So I'll go ahead and put this back on.
Reinstall the dust box and water tank assembly.
Okay. And also, you know, when you're mopping and you don't want these on, you can just take them off, that sort of thing. So also comes with this little tool to help you clean in here. And if you've got, you know, hair that you need to cut out, you can do that as well. Comes with a remote as well as an app. Quickly though, I will, this is if you don't want this to get around any electronics or whatever, cords, whatever, all the things, you just put this around something, however you want, and it'll create a barrier. This is the little mopping attachment, so you just put it on like this. So whenever
the mop holder has been installed.
There you go. So you take these off, put that on, and then you're mopping. So when you're ready to take it off, you just do that.
The mop holder has been removed.
Okay, so I'll go ahead and hook it up. The charging device is right down here. Put it with the buttons facing it. That's charging.
In progress.
There you go. So I'm going to go ahead and start the app.
Start cleaning.
There you go. So the dogs are very curious about this. So yeah. So you can click on the map if you want to set a map and tell it exactly, you know, where to go. You can do that. Auto.
Cleaning.
So I just paused it because it was on auto. So you can do fixed point.
Start fixed point cleaning.
So there's just different modes. So there's another mode that's gonna follow the wall, and then there's manual that I'll show you going over to a rug. What it's like to go over the rug. So it makes it really easy to clean, and you can just go over the rugs, not a big deal.
Start cleaning.
So, yeah, pretty easy peasy. And you can see that it does a nice job of using feet, brush things. And yeah, so I recommend this for anyone looking for a cleaning and mopping robot.